Did you know that it takes about 53 hours for food to make its journey through your digestive system? That's right, from bite to... well, you get the idea. Our bodies are truly remarkable, aren't they? Just imagine. Every time you savor that delicious, juicy apple or that crunchy piece of toast, it's the beginning of an extraordinary journey. A journey that is as fascinating as it is complex. This journey, my friends, is the process of digestion. Now, digestion might seem straightforward. You eat, your body absorbs the nutrients it needs, and then it gets rid of the waste. But there is so much more to it than that. It's a finely tuned process that involves a series of remarkable chemical reactions and physical movements. The journey begins in your mouth, where the food is broken down into smaller pieces by your teeth. Then it's off to the stomach, where the real magic happens. Here, your food is churned and mixed with stomach acid to break it down further. But did you know that the time food spends in your stomach can vary greatly? Yes, it's true. The type of food you eat plays a huge role in how long it stays in your stomach. Some foods are like the tortoise in the famous race, slow and steady, taking their sweet time to be digested. Others are more like the hare, rushing through your stomach at breakneck speed. So what's the big deal, you might ask? Well, understanding how different foods are processed by our bodies can help us make healthier choices. It can influence how we feel after eating, our energy levels, and even our long-term health. Now brace yourselves as we're about to embark on a fascinating exploration. We're going to dive into the countdown of foods that linger longest to shortest in your stomach. You might be surprised by some of the foods that make the list. So, stay tuned and prepare to be amazed by the incredible journey of food. Starting the countdown at number 1, we have red meat. Surprised? Now this might be a shocker for some, but red meat is indeed the long-distance runner in our digestive relay. It's a marathon, not a sprint, folks. You see, red meat is packed with protein and fat. Our bodies love it, but breaking it down, that's a different story. The protein in red meat requires some heavy-duty enzymes in our stomach for digestion, and the fats, they're dealt with by our gallbladder and liver. This dynamic duo produces bile, which emulsifies fats, turning them into a form our body can use. But this process, my friends, takes time. So, while you're savoring that succulent sirloin or relishing a rack of ribs, just remember it's not a quick goodbye. In fact, red meat can hang out in your stomach for up to 72 hours. So, next time you're enjoying a juicy steak, remember it's going to be with you for a while. Moving along, fruits and vegetables are next on the list. Ever wonder why they're praised as the holy grail of health? It's not just about vitamins and minerals. Fruits and veggies are packed with water and fiber, making them easier to digest than many other foods. Imagine your digestive system as a bustling city highway. Red meat, as we've seen, is like a big rig truck, taking its time, causing some traffic. Fruits and vegetables, though? They're like sleek, zippy motorcycles whizzing through with ease. But don't let these speedsters fool you. Even though they're easier to digest, they still take a bit more time than some other foods. The fiber content, while beneficial for your health, does slow down the journey somewhat. However, compared to other foods, they're speedy indeed. So if you're looking for a quick exit, fruits and veggies are your go-to. And finally, we reach the sprinters of digestion, refined sugars, and processed foods. Now, these racers don't take their sweet time. Their journey through our digestive system is more of a whirlwind tour due to their lack of fiber and nutrients. Think of them as the rock stars of the food world, living fast and leaving a bit of chaos in their wake. Imagine you're chowing down on a candy bar, or perhaps a bag of chips. As you're enjoying the taste, your body is already hard at work. These foods are quickly broken down into sugars and fats, ready to be absorbed into your bloodstream. They don't linger in the stomach or spend hours in the small intestine like our friends, fruits, and vegetables. No, they're the speedsters, getting quickly digested and absorbed. But here's the catch. Fast doesn't necessarily mean good. In fact, when it comes to your health, it's quite the opposite. Sure, your body appreciates the quick energy boost, but it's more of a short-term gain. You see, these foods are low in nutrients and high in calories. They might satisfy your taste buds and give you a quick pick-me-up, but they don't really offer much to your body in terms of long-term health benefits. Moreover, a diet high in these types of foods can lead to a slew of health problems. Obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, the list goes on. And let's not forget the notorious sugar crash. That's when your energy levels plummet after the initial sugar high, leaving you feeling sluggish and cranky. So while these foods might be the sprinters of digestion, they're not exactly the champions of health. They might be fast, but they're not built for the long run. They're like the hare in the race against the tortoise. They might sprint ahead, but in the end, it's the slow and steady foods that win the race. They might be fast, but remember, fast isn't always better when it comes to your health. So there you have it, a quick tour of your digestive system and the foods that call it home for varying amounts of time. We've journeyed through the long haul of red meat, taking its sweet time, and the middle ground where fruits and vegetables reside. Not to forget the fast track, where refined sugars and processed foods zoom through. But remember, these aren't just fun facts. They underscore the importance of a balanced diet. Consuming a variety of foods ensures that your digestive system isn't overworked or understimulated. It's all about balance. Lean proteins, complex carbs, fruits, veggies, and yes, even a little bit of sugar. All have a place at the table. The more we understand about our bodies, the better we can nourish them. So let's keep learning and keep eating mindfully. If you enjoyed this journey through your digestive system, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fascinating health facts. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health.